Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked out your back window and felt like something was missing? Today, we are diving into the world of beautiful garden decor to show you how a few simple changes can turn a patch of grass into a stunning sanctuary. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a tiny balcony, we're going to unlock the secrets to creating an outdoor space that feels like a luxury getaway. Let's get started. An outdoor living area is more than just a place to put your plants. It is a functional extension of your home's interior, designed to bridge the gap between nature and architecture. It represents a dedicated space where the comfort of your living room meets the fresh air and beauty of the natural world. By incorporating garden decor, you aren't just landscaping. You are creating a curated environment that reflects your personal style and provides a sanctuary for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with the environment. To make your outdoor space look professional and inviting, start by defining zones using outdoor rugs or strategically placed planters to create the illusion of different rooms. Use a cohesive color palette that complements your home's exterior, earth tones for a rustic look or bold metallics for a modern vibe. Lighting is the ultimate game changer. Use a mix of string lights, solar lanterns, and spotlights to create a warm, magical glow after sunset. Finally, layer your textures by mixing hard surfaces like stone or wood with soft elements like weather-resistant cushions and flowing outdoor curtains to create a space that feels expensive and intentional. Whether you're an avid gardener or a novice, your garden may need some extra pizzazz by adding some garden decor ideas. Decor is the icing on the cake for your garden. While the main event is obviously the flowers and foliage, adding some attractive and functional touches will make your garden more usable and appear more finished. Garden decor can range from small touches, like little statues and planters, to larger pieces like fire pits, furniture sets, and umbrellas. From stunning garden sculptures to DIY greenhouse decor, we share a variety of garden decor ideas that will fit any design style and garden size. One, designate a relaxing spot. Build a wall to partition off a spot in your garden to kick back in. The recessed white garden wall stretches across the entire backyard. The wall is simple yet elegant, with a sleek finish that contrasts beautifully with the lush greenery. A simple wooden bench situated in front of the garden complements the clean lines of the garden wall and is the perfect spot to sit and enjoy the tranquil backyard. 2, add pops of color. Use PVC piping as a budget-friendly decor option to incorporate into your yard. With a little paint, PVC piping can take on the look of metal or clay. These PVC pipes have been cut diagonally and painted in various shades of bright orange to create a stunning addition to this front garden. 3, make garden zones. Divide your garden into separate areas to enjoy each area to the fullest. These antique room dividers separate the sitting area from the garden just beyond. Not only does it help create zones, but it is also a stylish addition that draws the eyes up. 4, bring inside decor outside. Spruce up your shelves of potted plants with some decor items from around your home, like a gold picture frame and candlesticks. It's a free way to add your personal aesthetic to your outdoor space. 5, create a passageway. Add a passageway to separate your garden from the rest of your yard. As soon as you step through this moon gate, you'll be surrounded by the raised veggie garden beds. The passageway to the veggie garden is not only a stunning decor piece, but it helps make the garden stand out. 6. Designate a focal point. Use a statue to easily create a focal point that can act as an inspiration piece to help plan out the rest of your garden. This spiritual Asian-inspired statue sits behind a modern gas fireplace and is surrounded by bamboo, which sets the tone for the rest of the garden. 7. Light up your garden. Add a weatherproof neon sign to your garden for a funky and functional touch. The potted succulents give this outdoor seating area a lush, refreshing look, while the growing vines on the fence truly immerse you in nature. A neon sign at the center of the sitting area that reads, "It's meant to be," is a bright, eye-catching sign that pops against the dark colors of the surrounding plants. It's a playful touch that adds a sense of whimsy to the space. 8. Make a plant cover. Opt for a pretty plant cover. If you've taken the time to create the perfect garden aesthetic, a plant cover can ruin the look. Instead, make your own plant cover that's as stylish as it is functional. 8. Display potted plants. Line your garden path with pots for added planting space and an attractive decor touch. For a one-of-a-kind way to display your container garden, look to your backyard's walkway. The stepping stones are the perfect spots to place a variety of potted plants for an aesthetically pleasing look. 10. Use minimalist vessels. Bring it minimalist, modern pots for an elegant and modern look. You don't even have to fill them with plants. This minimalistic garden needs simple decor to match. The oversized rustic clay pots keep with the minimalistic look while bringing texture and interest to the backyard. 11. Try a black wall. Add a black backdrop for your garden to really help your plants stand out. This black privacy wall helps the green and red colors of the garden to pop instead of blending in with the trees beyond the wall. 12. Skip the plants. Use rocks in a variety of colors and patterns to create a one-of-a-kind feature to add to your garden, especially if you don't want the maintenance of a traditional garden. Plants aren't the only way to create a visually appealing garden. 13. Add a hammock. Bring in a hammock, especially one in a bright hue like this one, to create a cozy corner and bring a pop of texture. At the center of the backyard is a bold striped hammock that stands out against the neutral tones of the surrounding landscape. The bistro lights hanging above the hammock cast a warm glow that makes this spot the ultimate place to take a nap. 14. Display tools like art. If you have pretty garden tools, display them on your shed or greenhouse wall. Not only does this make the perfect garden decor, but it also makes your tools easily accessible and will encourage you to keep your tools clean too. 15. Incorporate white accents. Add white accents like trellises to your garden, as the color really does pop against a lush green garden. Whether you choose to plant white flowers or incorporate white decor items, the contrast will create a stunning visual impact. This backyard features an intricate gate that acts as a simple accent piece that makes a big statement. Transforming your garden doesn't happen overnight, but with the right decor and a little bit of passion, you can create a space that brings you joy every single day. Remember, your garden is a canvas, and the decor you choose is the paint that brings it to life. We hope these ideas inspired you to step outside and start creating. If you enjoyed these garden decor tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for your weekly dose of outdoor inspiration. Comment below and tell us, what is the one item you can't live without in your garden? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a makeover. See you in the next video.